Hello there. Hello.
Oh.
Right, that's one lad picked up.
Does this shit have enough charge for me holding it the entire time?
Probably not. Hello, Jacob Mellor.
Jacob Mellor, everyone.
Hello, camera. Well done, Carl. You've done well, and it's only the beginning.
In France, it is the law for everyone to have a gilet jaune. Otherwise, you get pulled over by the popo, by le flic, alright?
Swapping round. Goodbye, Joe. Come on, Jacob.
Give me the camera,
Yeah,
buddy.
you go,
We're filling in France now. You like that?
Oh, c'est la vie.
Yeah.
We're on.
Home straight. How many hours?
6 hours 42. Let's go. Jacob Mellor. Moron. Jesus. You can't see where the concrete fucking posts are. This is it. The end of a long.
This ain't gonna make the cut anyway.
Shake managed. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So we figured it out. We did 13 hours of driving today. And only one speeding ticket.
You got a speeding ticket?
We're going to Locquirec to look at the harbour. That's like the closest place to where we're staying.
Jacob, how are you feeling?
Pretty good.
There's a fucking hornet. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Look, on my ankle here, I got bitten by a hornet when I was young. The bite has never gone away. That's insane.
Oh, let's get to an escape point.
Oh no, fuck you!
Did you get it?
Why did he miss?
He took another swing.
Who hit it first?
What does it say, Jacob? Wait. Oh, what a strong man. Beach, 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 beach.
It's too hot for this, please.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Look how strong Jake is. He's about to knock over this tree. Wow. Go on, Jacob.
Oh, why did you do that? That's not nice. Now we're going to see if the sunset is beautiful.
What just happened? I don't know. My eyes are just not working anymore.
There is nobody here.
It's so quiet. What the fuck?
Drove 40 minutes to a beach.
Should be good.
Too busy for a drone.
It's never too busy for a drone, Jacob. We forgot the GoPro, so
We need to get Jake.
it's well nice. We're gonna chill here though until the sun sets.
I need to piss.
Sunset was a 0 out of 10.
You are minute.
Bro, someone's put a cent in it.
Why would you need to put a cent in?
One of you lot did it. I know
The car's just breaking down.
Look. Someone has put. They'll put manure on the fields and it all gone all over our car.
Alright, so we're currently walking around the beach and we're about to go book the beach bar for my birthday.
Big 19.
And we're keeping the child occupied with a domino set. Jake says there's a huge spider.
Holy!
What the?
I'm sure if we love
Holy hell, that's huge. Lads, it's our last day.
Brilliant, yay.
Yay.
Final time for leaving for the beach. Pretty sad.
We are back to our spot from yesterday. What are you doing?
Dude, why are you filming stuff like that?
I know.
That's just wasting camera footage.
We've literally filmed nothing. So the current time is 6:30 in the morning. But we are getting going because we've got a long journey ahead of us. Bro, there's other people sleeping, man.
I was on the road, big boy. Lovely sun over there.
3 hours on the move.
Right, put that in the bin. Go put that in the bin. Right, you're not getting back in the car, buddy. You're walking.
Got the two sleeping buddies in the back. Oh.
Is this safe? Is he playing Mario Kart while driving? Is he driving while driving? Let's test out Jamie's
How is it moving?
brakes. God doodly dang.
I feel like anyone making noise with it.
It's so that has never been that.
There is no way.
I'm sad to be leaving my friends.
As if.
What? Dude, I just got duped.